Hi, I'm T. Harbecker, author of the New York Times #1 bestseller, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. I'm well known for saying the following: give me 5 minutes and I can predict your financial future for the rest of your life. How? By identifying your personal money and success blueprint. Each of us has a personal money success blueprint already ingrained in our subconscious mind. And my friends, it is this blueprint that will determine your financial life. We're bringing our world-famous 3-day Millionaire Mind Intensive to the countries listed below. At this live event, we're going to teach you the secret psychology of wealth. We're going to reset your money and success blueprint right there, right on site, right on the spot that weekend, so that financial success comes naturally and automatically for you. Over 1 million people have changed their lives by this simple and effective system. At the Millionaire Mind Intensive, we'll show you how to put all of this into action. I promise you, with over 1 million students, this will change your financial life forever. Now, please check the dates and locations below. Take action. Click the register button also. Be at this event, and your income and your life will skyrocket. We'll see you there.